Good morning everyone. Today is a different type of video as we're not going exploring here in Aracaju. Instead, what we're going to do is something very, very important. And we're going to take you through this process because you've seen this video and you know what it is. We've got to extend my visa and there's not too much information out there about exactly what this process looks like. So I've got to get an extra 90 days here in Brazil and that's what we're going to do. We're heading to the Federal, which in this occasion is based in the airport. So that's where we're going to go now. So extending your visa in Brazil is an extremely easy process, but you just got to know what to do. It's difficult to find exactly what you're supposed to do, but once you do know, hopefully by the end of this video, you'll find it so easy. Get it done, get your 90 extra days here in Brazil and enjoy yourself. First thing you've got to do is go onto the website. We'll put the website that you need to find specifically in the description below. It's going to be in Portuguese and we'd probably suggest using like Google Translate rather than clicking to change the language on the website itself, because the website kind of changes and it becomes a little bit more awkward to try and use. So if you don't speak Portuguese, your best way is to actually go ahead and just use Google Translate. The link in the description below takes you exactly to the site to begin your application to extend your visa. From there, you then have to go to an immigration or a Policial Federal, which is the federal police, to have a sit-down appointment. Show them your passport, pay whatever extension fee you've got to pay, and it should be all gravy from there. Different cities have different places for the federal police. Here in Aracaju, it's in the airport. In a few places in the airport, other places it's just going to be in a police station. We've got an extra 90 days. It actually wasn't really that complicated. It was very pleasant. They were never out to try and get us to ask us questions or like try and just get you out like, no, you can't stay because of this. No, they're trying to help us. So we applied online. What we didn't know, we should have paid online. Most likely is the case. We're not sure if you could pay by credit card or by card online. Most likely the situation is you pay by what is called boleto, right? And you'll take the boleto to any ATM, they'll scan it, and then you can just pay that with cash, and then they'll have a receipt. You can take the receipt then to the Policial Federal, to your appointment, and it's all good. We had to just pay it there because he was really patient with us. There was also a scare because he looked up and thought that we couldn't extend my visa. He thought, no, you can't do that. If you're from England, you can only stay for 90 days every 180 days. There are some countries where that is the case, so you can come for the 90-day visa, but you cannot extend. Luckily, he didn't see England in the list, he saw Great Britain in the list. So we were able to extend it. We got an extra 90 days. We can continue the road trip. If you're not subscribed, subscribe and follow us along on our Brazil road trip. We're trying to go all the way from Curitiba to Fortaleza and back, and we've got 90 more days.
I'm just gonna give you some extra details to make it even easier. If you can, the best way to apply is using a computer, because the website doesn't always work properly on phones. If you want your process to be faster, try to book for the first appointments of the day. We were in and out in less than an hour, even though we had to handle all the payment in person. The 90-day extension starts from your approval date, not from when your original stay expires. The good thing is you can apply before your current visa ends, giving you kind of peace of mind and time to correct any issue if you need it. We also created a helpful file with all the steps and links you need to take before applying for your extension, so you can simply download it and use as you wish.
Really easy, 90 more days. Let's go. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if this helped, or if you have any questions for us, let us know in the comments. See you in the next one.